Hey Melon,
Yes?
see that gun right there? What if I grabbed it?
That would not be a great idea.
Anyways, let's eat.
Haha.
FBI, open up, you maggots.
OMG HHH. I need to grab the gun ASAP. You melon.
Time to die. OOF, you shot me.
I will tie you to a chair because I don't know why you're doing this.
Get me out of this damn rope. What is wrong with you?
You're gonna tell me questions on why you are shooting the place.
No, never.
Okay, I will shoot you then.
Okay. My friend told me to rob the store.
What? That's it. You're dead.
Loser, I got armor on.
Your leg.
OOF, my leg.
Bleed out.
Wanna die to Deka.
I don't want any problems.
How about a knife knife?
Okay then. He stabbed me in the stomach, feel like I'm going to pass out.